To choose materials that won't degrade your signal, start by looking for laminates with a dielectric constant below 4. Lower decay values are your first line of defense in reducing dielectric loss. Equally important is decay consistency. Look for materials with a tight decay tolerance, typically within 0.05 to 0.10 to minimize the impedance variation. For 106 glass weaves, the gaps between glass yarns are large, so the trace keeps moving between the glass and the resin. Since those materials have different dielectric constants, you end up with impedance discontinuities. To fix this, we recommend spread glass prepregs, such as 1035, 1067, or 1086. They use flattened spread yarns that gives the trace a much more uniform dielectric environment and keeps the impedance consistent. Always specify tight dielectric thickness control, ideally about 10% or better in your fabrication notes. For hybrid stackups, avoid placing materials with large decay mismatches on the adjacent layers. For these high data rates, you really need a low dissipation factor, typically below 0.005. Just a word of caution here, datasheet DF values are often specified at 1 GHz, so make sure you're verifying those numbers at your actual operating frequency. Finally, don't let copper roughness ruin a good dielectric. Pair these high-end materials with very low profile or reverse annealed copper to keep your losses to a minimum.